Let's get out here today and fish with the Roostertail. And I got sent a pack of Carolina Strikers flukes. And this freaking color right here that she did is freaking fire. I can't wait to throw it. Now that would have made a great video had it not been for the fact that I'm not wearing my Bubba outfit and I had no idea that the knot had came undone in this reel. So I just cast the entire line and all the bait into the water. All excited about the color. God dang, I think I made Bubba look good. Bye you pimps, keep on pimping, baby.